Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pair or connect your Epson projector to Bluetooth speaker. Now the first thing I want you to do is turn on the projector, press the menu button, and then select the settings menu, and then press enter, okay? And from here I want you to select HDMI link, go ahead and press enter, and from here I want you to select the audio out device, press enter and select projector. Press enter again, and then just press escape until you return to the settings menu. Then I want you to select Bluetooth and press enter. Okay. Now from here, I want you to just select Bluetooth audio, press enter and select on. Press enter again. And make sure that you press escape to return to the Bluetooth menu. And just make sure the Bluetooth audio device you want to connect is in pairing or discovery mode. Okay. And then you can just search the Bluetooth device, press enter, and then you just select the device you want to connect to, press enter again, and then just press the escape button to return to the previous screen for the menu or to exit the menu. And now the next time when you turn on the projector, the last connected device is automatically connected. And if you ever want to change the connected device, you just repeat these steps. But otherwise, it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.